subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Moto G 5G 2022 back in May last year, the company is now reported to launch another smartphone under the same lineup as Moto G 5G 2023. And before the launch, the upcoming smartphone renders has surfaced online by a Twitter user SnowFitTech that shows the complete design of the smartphone. According to leak renders, the Moto G 5G 2023 edition will feature a flat screen with a small bezels on the edges, and it has a water drop notch at the top center for selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone is seen to support a dual camera setup and a squarish module at the top left corner, including LED flash, and it also suggests the phone to include one 48-megapixel main camera. The volume rockers along with the fingerprint sensor equipped under the power button is located on the right edge, and at the bottom we see a speaker grill, microphone, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The leak renders also suggest the phone to come in navy blue and silver color options. Apart from this, there is no other details of Moto G 5G 2023 edition smartphone has leaked so far. So as of now, that's all we know about the Moto G 5G 2023 edition smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.